Hi, bro.
Hi. How are you today, bro?
I'm fine, thank you.
Fine, thanks. Are you? What's going on, bro?
I'm a bit disappointed
What? Why?
because I bought a new cell phone and it hasn't arrived yet. Because I bought the cell phone in Amazon and it's been a long time and it hasn't reached me yet.
And did already make claim to Amazon?
But I don't know where to do it.
You can delete the application.
Tell them to Amazon?
I tried, but I don't know.
Oh, yes. Hello, mister. You are calling Amazon office. My name is Vincent. How can I help you?
Hello, Mr. Vincent. I am Mr. Brent. Hello. My name is Mr. Brent. I need information about for my purchase because it hasn't reached me yet.
Okay, 1 minute. I'm going to check in the system.
Okay. Please going checking the system.
Oh, worry. This is be patient.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Sorry for the waiting time. Your package is in still stock.
Oh, I get it. Sorry, Mr. Vincent. I need to cancel the purchase.
Are you sure, Mr. Brandon?
Yes.
All right. We'll refund in the 3 business days.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Vincent.
You're welcome, Mr. Brandon.
Yeah. I cancel the purchase.
Oh, I hope that this is already solved.
Yeah, I hope the same.
Well, we wait for the email confirmation of the cancellation or the purchase. What do you think if we are going to eat something?
Yeah.
I know a good place where they sell hamburgers.
Yeah, come on.
Let's
Let's
go,
go.
let's go.
Thank you.